Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you wireless security camera system. This is from Camcamp SC23. Here is the camera. This is wireless NVR and 100% wire-free camera kit. You don't need any wires for the internet connection. We have the user manual. The simple user guide. It shows all the directions. Here are two solar panels. Let's see. It is big when you compare it to other ones. Wow. This is the other one. Cables. Here's the AC adapter. One by one. Wow. This is the first time I've seen the antennas like that. It can go down 90 degrees, 355 degrees. You can insert the solar panel cable from there. And also we have the reset button right there. If you want to turn it on, you're going to turn it on over there. Here is the second camera. This is the NVR. We have the adapter input, USB input, HDMI out, Ethernet cable, reset button, and SD card. Alright, when you open it, you're gonna see 500 gigabytes. And also you can use SD card. You have the HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, all the mounting tools. And you're gonna hang it like that. This is supposed to be at the top. You see, that's it. These are for the solar panels. Third camera. And the last one, the fourth one. NVR. It's charging right now. I'm gonna choose English and let's do the network, wireless network setup. Connect. Let's connect. Next. Next. You can see multiple cameras at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and download the application. Here is the application. It is Cloud i365. It's gonna continue downloading it and I'm gonna continue with the next step. Done. Look at that quality. And here are the cameras. Login. And let's see. Up. There is speed you can change. There is no interruption, nothing. The quality is also awesome. And we can go ahead and look at the sound. This MVR has the speakers also. You can do the digital zoom. Check the quality. Wow. Alright. You can split the screen like that. You can add more cameras. You can add more cameras, but we're not gonna add it right now. We have only 4 cameras. I put one of them over here. Let's go inside and check it out. Now you can see the quality. When you look at the Wi-Fi signal to MVR, it's awesome. Let's do the digital zoom. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the application. Let me create my account and come back. Now it's gonna use Bluetooth, and I can add the smart device.
Searching for nearby devices. Please wait.
Now, let's see. Password for the device 123456 and confirm. Bedroom, confirm. Let's see. We have 4 devices. Here's the quality. This is SD. Let's see the HD. SD. You can see the difference. Look at the grass. And check the settings. Motion detection alert. Record mode. Uninterrupted mode. You can record it 24 hours. Or optimal battery life. Alright, the most important thing, you can share the device with your friends. I'm out. Right there. Let's see. It is colorful right now because we have the light, enough light. Right now it is night vision. Here is how you see from both of the screens, iPad and the TV. Here's the camera. I put it there. Here is the quality. This is ST, and I'm gonna change it to HT. Now, ST, HT. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.